Alright, today we're featuring a 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. It's got 35,000 miles on it. It's Quicksilver metallic in color, still covered under factory warranty. Alright, we're going to walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. First thing we notice, it does have the front park assist. Got the running boards. Got your lock unlock button here on the front and back doors. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Alright, it does have the rear park assist as well, rear backup camera. Alright, it is a two-wheel drive. Alright, same thing on the passenger side. Got the lock unlock buttons here on the front and back doors. Alright, everything's really good shape on the exterior of this Yukon. Once again, it's a 17 two-wheel drive, 35,000 miles. Still got some factory warranty left. Go ahead and take a look on the inside here. Got the black on black door panels with a nice wood grain trim, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have memory driver seat, Bose audio. Alright, carpet's nice and clean, black carpet. Got the power driver seat, black leather. Alright, it's got the perforated inserts here. Alright, does have heads up display. Got your trailer brake controller here, adjustable pedals, lane departure warning. Does have a nice center console here, lots of storage there. Passenger seat leather is in really good shape, no problems there. Does come with a keyless entry key fob with remote start and power liftgate. Alright, does have your heated and air conditioned seats, dual climate controls, CD player. It's going to have navigation and backup camera. Alright, we'll show you that in just a second. Push button start. Does have your leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, collision alert, and steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 35,101 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the display screen here. Try to knock down some of that glare for you. Alright, let's go ahead and activate the navigation. Alright, and backup camera. Alright, it does have the guidelines on there as well. Alright, and you can simply hit this button here. It's going to take that up and have some more storage and a USB port inside there. Okay, you simply hit that button, comes right back down. Alright, it does have dual climate controls. Okay, and your rear climate control areas right here. Got your heated seats and air conditioned seats. The push button start, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, it does have 3 rows of seating. Let's go ahead and check out the second row. It's got the second row captain's chairs. Alright, both chairs are in great shape. Leather looks really good, no problems there. Alright, it does have the rear heated seats. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and check out the third row. Third row leather looks great. Interior of this Yukon is in fantastic shape. Power liftgate, nice and smooth coming up. Alright, it's also got the third row. Push this button here, third row seats go down. You can see how much that really opens up the seating back here. Or the storage, I should say, not seating, but storage. And then you simply press the buttons again. They'll come all the way back up for you. Alright, power liftgate. Simply activate, press this button here. Nice and smooth coming down. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 20-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in great shape. It's a brand new set of tires. You can still see the lines on them there. Alright, once again guys, a 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. All the bells and whistles you could possibly want. 35,000 miles, still covered under factory warranty. Quicksilver metallic in color. This thing's in phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.